Okay, so this is a Excel solver exercise for oil stock portfolios. So this is a very useful tool for us to determine what kind of portfolio will maximize our profit or expected return. So the setup is that we have 7 stocks, X1 to X7, and make sure that these are binary variables and these are changing, and the expected returns, if you analyze their expected returns, and then you can get these numbers and you put them there, and then you have this maximize the profit. So I use some product and choose the first changing rows first, and then the second coefficient rows. Then I have this objective function, and I have also constraints. We have a Texas constraint, which is x1 plus x2 plus x1 plus x4 plus x5 has to be greater than or equal to 2. So 1, 1, 1, and it's 2, it's greater than 2. At first you have to actually put, so it's a sum product. So it's confusing to you, so let me do this again. This times this, right? This. And then I have to just delete this at this point. And I'm going to set this L4, just fix the location and make it an absolute reference. And then I use this copying function and copy that down. And then now I'm ready to run the Excel solver. So you go to data and Excel solver and come over there. And L7 is right here, and that's my objective function. And L4 to R4 is changing, so you just select them. And then, you have to choose left-hand side and right-hand side. Left-hand side, so for those 4 constraints, I did that, right? And then be careful about the sign. It's greater than, less than equal to, or equal or less than equal to. And then if you have done that, now finally you have to add this binary variable. So as I did before, you can say all these variables are binary. So you can say these are binary, right? And then you add, then you have that constraint added to your Excel solver. And if you are ready, then you can click on solve, and you will be able to see the answer shortly. And then, X3 to X6, which are Dutch Shell, Houston Drilling, Texas Petroleum, and San Diego Oil are your choices, and that's how you can add your constraints and analyze and find the best portfolio for your project. Thank you.